Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. The technology we are talking about is stacking. The stacking is a virtualization technique that combines two devices into one. For example, two switches can be virtualized into one, resulting in a device with 48 ports instead of original 24. One of the advantages of stacking is that it supports hot backup. If one device fails, it won't cause any disruption because it's virtualized with another device. Additionally, device configuration management becomes more convenient. In Cisco's device, stacking is called VSS for aggregation switches and iStack for access switches. However, there are limitations to stacking. For example, VSS only supports stacking up to device, while iStack supports up to 9. Different models also have different stacking capabilities. If network is too large, stacking may not be the best option, and stacking requires that two devices from the same brand. Although manufacturers offer some stacking solutions for different models, they are generally not recommended for project use. If a device is damaged later, it must be replaced with the same model, which increased cost. Therefore, stacking is more commonly used in large-scale enterprise networks. Okay, our sharing is over today. If you have any other technologies you want to learn or questions, leave a comment below and subscribe my channel. See you again, honey.